Yeah, to
Do I want to meet your 11-year-old daughter? I don't know. Is she cool?
Do you have any online resources?
Okay, so the resources I started with were Code Academy, which I think is free, but I haven't checked it out in a long time, so there might be some sort of paid service or something. And then I also used Khan Academy, and they have, along with every other place in the history of the world, they have computer programming and computer science and advanced JavaScript. They basically have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then they have more advanced things like algorithms. And they also have an adapted version of this book called thenatureofcode.org, which is basically this like thing that teaches you how to make simulations of the real world.
How do you spell that academy you just described?
How do I spell the Khan Academy thing I just described?
Yeah, what's the...
K-H-A-N-A-C-A-D-E-M-Y.
Correct.
Yes.
Is there a game that you've created that's online? You said it was free that we could like check out. Like, is there a demo on your website or anything like that?
Is there a game I've created that you could check out right now? Well, not really. I mean, I have stuff on my Khan Academy page. Oh, I forgot to mention that. Khan Academy also allows you to create your own programs, both in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also in this JavaScript language library called Processing.js, which is basically an adapted version of the language processing. And then they've put their own little twists on Processing.js, so it's more like Khan Academy.js. And you can make your own programs in their code editor, and you can check out other people's programs and the code. Yes.
So when are you planning on starting a full-time job as a programmer?
When do I plan on becoming a programmer? When people are willing to hire me? Yes.
Have you thought about what you'll talk about next year?
Have I thought about what I'll talk about next year? Well, I might talk about the thing for the outline I just described, which was dealing with difficult teammates. I already made the outline, so it should be easy.
Riverside is still accepting applications, Jansen.
Ooh, Riverside is still accepting applications.
When is Riverside?
November 3 and 4.
And it's only 45 minutes away?
Yep.
Ooh.
Just saying.
And you in the back? Or were you raising your hand, or were you just stretching? Okay, anybody? Yes, you.
Do you have friends at the same age that is programmers too?
Not really.
At school?
No.
Well, I'm homeschooled, so like I go to this thing called a homeschool charter, which is basically like you're homeschooled, but you're still in school, sort of. Like it's confusing. Anyways, no, I don't really have any other programming friends around the same age as I am, which is almost 13. Yeah, not in real life. Yes.
Is it hard for you to go back and forth between real life and your tech life because there's such different experiences?
Is it hard for me to go back and forth between real life and not real life, which is my tech life? Well, I mean, I feel tempted to say yes. So I'll say yes. Which one? Which one should I do? You? Are you saying something?
Do you think you would be a fun character on the TV show Silicon Valley? Like, when would you see yourself going into the TV show?
Do I think I would be a fun character on the show Silicon Valley? I've never seen Silicon Valley.
I don't want to watch it.
Too young.
You in the back.
Are there any frameworks that you're really excited about learning right now? Anything new?
Are there any new frameworks that I'm excited about learning? Well, to be honest, I'm not really the type of person to be keeping up with all of these new wacky technologies that have been coming out, like Golang. I have a book on it, but I haven't read it. It's too dry. You.
What do you think about Gutenberg?
What is that?
That's a great question.
He doesn't, we went to a meetup, but he doesn't quite know it yet. We went to a meetup.
Okay, alternate question.
That's my mom. That's my mom.
Alternate question. Alternate question. Have you found a problem that you can't solve and you need help with solving a problem?
Have I found a problem that I can't solve and I need help with it?
Do you need help with it?
Let's see. I don't know, I think I'm working on something on Khan Academy called Marble Physics, where basically I'm simulating the physics of marbles. So I could use some help with that. Anybody else? Has anyone raised? You?
Do you have any other hobbies that you like to do in your spare time?
Do I have
Besides
any?
video games.
Do I have any other hobbies?
Or what are your hobbies?
Going on the internet and watching YouTube.
You have other hobbies. Do you on Sundays and stuff?
Let's see. I like to read. I am a very fast reader. What else do I do on Sundays? Oh yeah, magic. Thank you, Mom.
Like Magic the Gathering or magic?
Like magic tricks, like making a coin disappear. I don't have a coin. And if I had a coin, I wouldn't want to make it disappear. It's a coin. You.
Do you have a YouTube series of yourself teaching or describing things?
Well, I do have a YouTube channel. It's called Jansen's. Well, okay, I'll spell it out for you. It's capital J, lowercase a, lowercase m, a lowercase s, a lowercase e, a lowercase m, a lowercase s, if I'm not mistaken, uppercase L, lowercase e, a lowercase e, a lowercase s, and another lowercase s, and a lowercase o, and a lowercase n, and a lowercase n, and a space, and then com, as in .com, except there's no dot.
Okay, Jansen Lessons, Space Com.
Jansen's Lessons, space com. Let's see, I have 5 minutes left. You.
Did you enjoy drawing the slides to go along with your presentation?
Yes, I did.
They were very good.
Wait,
I mean,
hold on.
they got the point across.
Did I enjoy drawing the slides for my presentation? Yes, I did. You.
What kind of books do you read?
What kind of books do I read? Any book. I mean, my mom won't let me read adult books, so let's cross that out. I'm not a baby, so let's cross that out too. And yeah, everything else. And yes, you.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
What do I want to be when I grow up? A programmer, I guess. Yes, you again.
If you were a programmer, what problems would you solve?
If I was a programmer, what problems would I solve? Let's see. I mean, I don't really understand all of that weird server-side HTTPS something mumbo-jumbo stuff. So I guess I'd be front-end? I'm assuming that's what you were asking, right?
I mean, do you want to solve world hunger? Do you want to make cool things? Do you want to, I don't know, help people tell stories? What do you want to do?
Well, I suppose it depends on the company who hires me. Again, I'm up for hiring. Anybody else? Anyone?
Oh,
All right, that was fun. What was your question?
I was just gonna ask you, do you have brothers and sisters?
No. Do I have brothers and sisters? No. Okay, let's end this.